Well guys, it's that time of the year where you go to shop till you drop. It's the mother of all festivals, DSF, Dubai Shopping Festival 2014. And in this month-long extravaganza of shopping and winning and discounts and prizes and giveaways, shopaholics throng the malls in huge numbers. Ultimately what happens? Long queues, waiting, frustration. So I've decided to get away from all the frenzy in the mall and I've come to check out the newly opened 6,000 square feet Octave showroom, which is at Zabil Road in Karama. Well, winter collection happens to be my favorite, and talking about Octave as a brand, it has got the best in winter collection, the best in coats, sweaters, hoodies, etc. to choose from. But if you really want to look formal like I am looking right now, it has got a sister brand called Deuce, which can give you the best in formal wear. Well, the best in casual, the best in formal, I would say this is a one-shop stop for all you men out there.
Octave we have introduced in UAE in the 1995 in Mina Bazar with 200 square feet normal store. With every new store, we realize the potential of the Middle East market.
I don't change my brands usually, and I like the outfit, I like the range they have, and best of all, the quality of the material which they use for all their outfit is really appealing to me.
Octave sell all the products in 100% cottons. It gives good comfort to the customer. So this is our USB in the Octave.
Octave, a truly global brand, I would say. All these products over here are in vogue, keeping abreast with the current international trends. A perfect combination of style, fit and comfort with pocket-friendly prices. And to top it all, the icing of the cake. DSF promotions are on with 25 to 50%. Well, with these incentives, I have decided I'll take it.